Oga, that's the price. See, Oga, you want me to... Oga, that wardrobe, that type of wardrobe you want is very, very expensive. Materials are very costly in the market, sir. Oga, that wardrobe is too... Okay, no problem. How much do you want to pay? Sir? No problem. I know.
Where you? What they make you dey shout like a woman where they push for labor? We go run comot for this shop for you. You know they do too much. You they shout like place where snake bites.
I had a dream. I got kidnapped and they shot me.
But tell me now, for not waste my time come with you. They kidnap you.
I swear, they no go see shishi. I dey very sure say they don't know say you be apprentice for a guy in a shop. No be your shop. Oh. Waste of kidnap. They feed you. They give you food for there.
Jidenna.
Sir?
Okay.
Sir?
Okay, welcome.
Jidenna, get ready. We are going to the palace. Namdi, is that door ready?
Hey, okay, what tell you something about that door? I don't know who ready the next election. I want you to do campaign for my village. I dey come out for local government chairman.
My friend, shut up! What are you talking?
I don't hide.
Jidenna, let's go. Make sure that door is ready before we come back.
Oh God, door no go feel ready before you come back. Who shall be before you come back? Hey, egg of life. You want go carry egg of... That door no go ready, okay? Oh.
Come here.
Mama, I did not steal your money.
Chima.
So you a thief?
No, Mama, I did not steal your money.
Eh? Chima, in a Zori, I will kill you in this house.
Mama.
You man sorry, Luna. You will not be a thief in this house.
Mama, I'm not a thief. I'm not a thief, believe me, I swear.
So why are you running?
Mama, I swear. This girl can lie. Wait, I'm coming.
Come here. Why are you running? Come here.
Mama, I did not steal your money. I don't know anything about your money. I'm not a thief.
Mama, look at it. Do you see? This girl is stealing your money. See what she bought with your money.
Ewo, Chima. Chima. Ha! How did you get the money to buy all these things?
Mama, I don't know anything about those undies. They are not mine. I don't know anything about
this. Girl will finish me in this house. So.
I couldn't know why you doing this to me.
Shut up! Mama, this girl is a pathetic liar. You are lying and you know it.
So you stole my money to buy all these things?
No, Mama.
Oh yeah, come here.
Mama, please.
I say come here. Come here, don't waste my time.
No. Mama, I'm sorry.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock.
Mr. Kene,
Yeah, what is it?
Mr. Kene,
Yes.
how far is the place?
Are you mad?
No, sir.
Are you out of your senses?
No, sir.
Why are you asking me that
I
question?
just want to know how far it is,
I
sir.
have a contract in the palace and I don't want to lose this contract. Will you follow me and let's go to the
Sir, I'm
palace?
following you, sir. You don't need to
Let's
get up.
go, let's
yes, sir.
go.
Yes, sir, no problem. I'm just asking to know how far it is.
When are all these keke now? Yeah. Enter now.
We're in a critical condition and our prince shouldn't leave this kingdom not without a word.
But Ichie, I don't know why you are angry with my friend the queen. She already told us that there was an emergency and the prince had to leave.
But he shouldn't leave without even consulting any of the councillors. He already know that in the next 7 market days he will be crowned a king. And he's supposed to be around. Oh no, say something now.
It's okay, Ichie Azoka. My queen.
No.
When is he coming back?
Oh no, he will be back in the country before his coronation.
Queen Ogie. It's alright then.
Okay, it's alright then. It's okay. Okay. What do you expect me to say?
Ichie Azoka. Calm down. We have to wait for the rest of the elders for them to come so we can kick off the meeting officially.
Okay.
We are here to see the queen.
Okay. Oh, the carpenter.
Yes.
All right.
And thank you.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom bottom. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy boy. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Carpenter where they knock boy boy. Not be furniture at all. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Carpenter where they knock boy boy. Bottom bottom. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy boy. Bottom bottom. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom bottom. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy boy. Bottom bottom. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Carpenter where they knock boy boy. Not be furniture at all. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Carpenter where they knock boy boy. Bottom bottom. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy boy. Bottom bottom. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom bottom. Then na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy boy. Bottom bottom.
My princess.
Where is my mother?
She should be in her chambers now.
The carpenter guys are still in my room. And I want the light-skinned one. Do you know what that means?
No, my princess.
Is it that you're naive or that the free food you eat in this palace has damaged your brain?
No, my princess.
What do you even know?
I'm sorry, my princess.
I want everything about him. Get his information to me. I want everything about him on my palm.
Yes, my princess.
Get out.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Mama, eat first. Ah, don't let her to spoil your mood.
This girl just made me hungry.
Eat.
Stupid girl. Mama, I'm set for school. Mama, I said I'm set for school.
Are you stupid? No, are you not? Who is your mother? Mama, I'll kill this girl. Oh. I will kill this girl. Wait. Are we not dragging my own mother?
I wonder.
Eh?
Chima, how many times have I warned you not to call me Mama? Am I your mother? Abu Munegi! Do I look like your mother?
Yes, sir.
Or do I look old to you? Is your stupid mother in the grave younger than me? Anama Ajogi! Is she? You are set for school, so I should run. Apatiti. I can see you are wearing the new bra you used my money to buy. Okay? Look at it. You are using it, huh? Dirty thing. Have you taken your bath? Did you take your bath?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Did you brush? Dirty girl. You will not be a thief in this house, oh. You are not going to be a thief in this house. Omame. You. Eh? Look at her. You want to go to school. So, I should give you money, ba? Transport money. What about the money you stole from me? What about the money? I'm asking you, what about the money? My friend, get out! Since you don't want to, get out.
Are you not hearing? Get out!
I said get out. You don't want to get out. Get out. Get out! Or do you want me to call you? After Hausa. Onyori. Oh, Jesus.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Just leave her. Eh? Don't worry. I'll kill her for you.
Ne, go inside and bring me another fufu.
Mama, we have to finish this one now.
Papa, here is the water. Let me help you so that sit up now so that you can take the water. Papa, here is the water.
Chimamanda.
Papa?
Hold on. Just keep it.
Why?
Hold on.
Papa, but you're supposed to drink this water first. Papa?
Chimamanda.
Papa?
This is 200,000 naira. Use part of it to register for your WAEC examination and use the remaining one for yourself. I know it will go a long way for you.
Papa, I'm getting scared.
My daughter, nothing is happening. Just go and keep this money before your stepmother will return. Do not let her to see this money. Go and keep it.
Papa, why? Why? I mean, you will be fine.
Just go and keep the money now.
Papa, let's use this money and take you to the hospital.
Go and keep the money.
Okay. Okay, Papa.
Nah, your brother. Your brother is not at home. Did you see him? Nah, I'm talking to you. Nah, I didn't see your brother. He's not there. I'm talking to you now. Nah, Papa, are you sleeping already? I just slept now. Papa? Papa? Nah, Papa? Papa? I have searched everywhere in that house and there is nothing there. I am sure he gave you the money. Bring it out before I butcher into pieces.
Mama, Papa always say that he's going to reward her for taking good care of him. And I'm sure that Papa must have given her that money that his meeting friends gave to him.
Don't joke with me, oh. Bring it out.
Mama, Papa did not give me any money.
I will kill you here. I will kill you here. Go inside there. If you know where you're hiding the money, go inside and bring it out. Move!
Mama, why are you people doing this to me? Mama, why are you so aggressive to me? Mama, why did you and Akudo hate me so much?
You want to know?
Am I not part of this family?
You want to know why we hate you? You want to know why they hate?
Why
okay,
the hatred?
Let me explain. Your stupid late mother slept with my husband, got pregnant, and gave birth to you. She destroyed the happy home I have. She destroyed the promise my husband made to me and the children, that he will give us a good life. Though I pretended to have forgiven her, but deep down, I have not. I accepted her as a second wife. I had no choice. But the pains she brought into this house, I have not forgotten. Chimamanda, can you now see why I hate you? When I see you, all I see is pains. When I look at you, I feel pains. I feel like killing you. Have you seen why I hate you? At the count of 3, I won't explain again. At the count of 3, go in there. If you know where you're hiding the money, like I said before, bring it out. Because I'm sure he gave you the money. Bring it out!
Mama, Mama, this is not fair.
2.
Go and
Bring it out. 2.
Mama, where are you? Mama, your daughter is heartbroken. Mama. Mama, you hurt me. Mama, you hurt me so much. Mama, why do you have to choose to become a second wife? Why, Mama? Mama, why do you choose love where there is no peace? Why do you have to choose love where there is no peace? Mama, Mommy, she pretended that she loved me. When you were alive, Mama, she bought me clothes. She called me sweet names. She pets me. Just when you and Papa died, she changed. She brought her true colors. Mama Chima, Mama, your daughter is now a slave. Mama, I'm now a slave in my father's house, Mama. Mama, Mommy, you have to come back. Mama, come back to me. Come back to your daughter. Come back to your daughter, Mama. Mama, please. Mama, please come back. Mama, your daughter is not a slave. I'm not a slave in my father's house, Mama. Why?
Hey. See, I'm certain that you're not going to school today. Take. My mother said you should wash those clothes. After washing them, you go to the farm and clear those weeds. Do you hear? Then after it, you go and buy what we're going to cook this evening. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear? Cry, baby.
Mama! Mama, please.
Agwa.
Ichie.
Abala kibi.
Ichie.
Why na mama?
Ichie, you're most welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You know, as soon as I receive your call, I have to rush over. You know why? In the best, the young kid just Sonia Fuku born run. Wow.
Ichie. You and funny proverbs are like this. 5 and 6.
You guys said that again.
Ichie. Ichie, there's something I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
I want Jubem, my son, to be the next king of this kingdom. Yes, I want Jubem, my son, to be the next king of this village. You all know him. He has always wanted to be a king in this kingdom. Please, Uchiume, I strongly trust you. With you by our side, we can be able to achieve this. Please, Uchiume, even if this is the last thing I achieve on this earth, I will be very grateful. Please.
Agwa. I knew it. That the lioness did not tiptoe for nothing. It's aiming a prey. Come to think of it. You think I will say no? Mbang. I'm in.
Ooh.
I'm solidly behind you.
Ichiume.
Count me.
Oh, goodness me. It's you.
I go mine.
Just wait a minute.
Anything for you.
Wait a minute.
Anything.
Tina! Where is this girl? Tina!
Yes, ma'am.
Please come. Please. Take very good care of Ume here. Arrange him very well. Just take very good care of him. Strengthen his bones. And make him feel like a new baby.
I get my arrange a lot.
You are free to strangle him, but please don't let him die.
She said, take me to cloud 9.
Yeah.
And land.
It's cute, man. Alright. Enjoy yourself, my dear. Ooh.
Here it is, my queen.
Including the workmanship?
Yes, my queen. Everything, just as you asked me to.
Including our transport money, ma'am.
Hope you are aware that I have 3 other quotations from 3 different carpenters.
Yes, my queen, I am aware. But I want to assure you that you are not going to be disappointed by our work. As a matter of fact, this is an inheritance from my father, and I don't joke with it.
We are the best in town.
Yes.
We are better than the people you know.
Okay. I want all the furnitures in this palace to be changed.
We will do just that, man.
Yes.
Baby,
Go to it.
when my daughter is done, if it pleases me, I'll put a call across to you.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
By the way, who is this young man with you?
He is my apprentice.
I'm second in command, ma'am, of the company. Sorry, sir.
Second in command?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay.
Eva, we'll be on our way now.
We have customers waiting for us.
Oh, you can sleep here.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry, can I get the exercise?
No. This is our quotation now.
Okay, we should leave you with them. Okay.
That one behaves like a clown. Barbara? Barbara?
Yes, mother. So you were saying?
Go through it.
Oh, sure.
Yes. My son. You listen to me. You and I know that there is no time for all this. The princess is a good girl. I don't know. The princess is a good girl, I must say. But who am I? Yes. I know you want a very good girl for yourself and the kingdom. I understand that. But life is not movie. You replicate what you watch in the movies. Yes. At the end, you are endangering yourself. Come back to reality, my dear. You came back from the UK and you're doing what I don't know. Yes, I don't understand you. I just want you to do your best. Your win is my win. But please, hurry up. We don't have time. Okay. Please, be careful. Take good care of yourself. You know who you are. Okay. All right. Bye.
Yes. No problem, no. But don't worry, I'll send the money. Yeah, I'll send it, no problem. Please make sure you take your drugs, eh? Okay. Okay, I'll call you later. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah.
Oh, but the way this your mama say they call you like who lost, eh? I don't know.
My grandmother, you mean?
Eh. Okay. Don't forget so you be orphan. Oh, well. What a wicked word.
Namdi.
My guy.
Do you have to always remind me I'm an orphan?
I don't know, say you forget to.
Don't you have conscience?
I get.
What is your problem?
No vex. But vex, oh. Vex. Because for your mind, now it is now only you be orphan. People don't they die before your parents die.
Are you an orphan?
Yes, now.
Did you tell me?
I wish I did I tell you. I go just enter street, begin the shout. I go shop right now, begin the shout. I'm an orphan, oh.
Okay, how did you know I'm an orphan?
Now you don't sabi keep secrets now. You don't sabi keep secret. Now you tell me. I call the user like this too.
Namdi. Namdi.
Eh?
Namdi.
Eh?
Do you like this job?
You know, see, my parents dey life, I don't go dey here. But as I no dey, the beggar has no choice.
Okay, just focus on your work so that I can focus on mine.
No one. No wahala. But I dey suggest say, you know, say me and you now will be orphan. Maybe we just go open orphanage home now. Me and you will just dey there. Senior orphan, junior orphan.
You think like a fraudster.
Don't 1-0. No work.
That is all I have about him, my princess.
Good. You are so smart.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
Get out.
Yes, my princess. Sorry, my princess. Her Majesty the Queen requests that you meet her downstairs. She said both of you are going to see her friend.
Whichever friend, if I may ask.
According to her, her new friend. The one you are going to marry her son.
I'll be with her shortly.
Thank you, my princess.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom. Then na carpenter,
Very disrespectful. No home training. She made my stay very, very, very uncomfortable. She smokes Indian hemp.
Jesus! Princess go. Eh? She go born kingdom for us, oh. You told me she don't turn herself to exhaust.
But as a princess, I expected her to be very, very, very responsible.
Yes, nah.
Very, very, very humble.
Yes, nah. As princess, nah. No man.
But you need to see how she spoke to Mr. Ekene.
Serious?
She was very rude and disrespectful to him.
Now, they are supposed to follow na go. Like, wear her 500. First.
500. Like, give her 500 naira.
No, now. Give her a slap. Slap him out.
Okay, if you had followed us, you would have given her a slap. Then you end up in jail.
For slap?
Yes, now.
You slap person, they go jail.
You slapped a princess. Not an ordinary woman.
You do.
Her father is a king. Who is your father?
You want start to? Who shall be who is your father? Who shall be who is your father? I don't understand.
Anyways, the princess is very, very rude. Very disrespectful. She's a no-no for me. But that's a story for another day. How far that woman? Has she come? The woman that sells food.
By 12. By 12, shall be who is your father?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Oh, no.
Did my phone ring?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, now.
My friend, shut up. Shut your mouth.
Your phone did not ring, sir.
You ring.
Okay. Jidenna, you've not done anything, no?
Sir, I've been working since, so.
Allah.
It's okay. Cut 2x4 for me.
Sir, who? Me or him?
You, cut 2x4 for me.
Go.
And make both of you pray. Make we get that contract for Palace. If we get them, I'll surprise both of you.
Father Lord, I come to you.
Nnamdi, are you normal?
I thought they pray. You don't get surprised?
Sir, don't mind this boy. He's very, very unserious. Sir, there's something I would like to discuss with you.
And what is that?
Sir, the prices you give them at the palace, I don't think it will work. Because things are very expensive in the market, sir. Materials are very expensive, sir.
Don't worry yourself. Don't bother. I know what I'm doing. Let's get the contract first.
Okay.
Both of you go back to work. Okay. You cut that 2x4 for me.
No problem, sir. I'll cut it.
Cut the 2x4.
Nnamdi, don't disrespect me.
You know me.
No, but I'm serious. Don't disrespect me.
They will be saying because of what? Say because you get a white color.
Don't disrespect me.
Go cut this 2x4. Which shall be man no disrespect. What did they pay me this? Oga fit still no know what he did. He say he do what he go run it to lost.
Nnamdi, come and help me.
I don't know. Why are you tormenting me? Mama, it's only your son. It's only your son. Is it not your brother? Shall we not talk to him on the phone? Mama, I beg. Let my brother problem not show. Mama is coming.
Mama the mama. Mama the mama.
What is it? Well, this one, your son is back now. Eh?
Chinedunwa.
Mama.
Hey. Why did you peep at your gas wife when she was betting? Obugene, what is wrong with you?
Mama, it's a lie. I did not pick at my Oga's wife. So you believe that my Oga said?
Shut up! This is the third boy that you are going to. The third boy, and it's the same result. Are you okay at all?
What is your problem? If I hear him from your mouth again, if you try it, look at this balloon. Okay, Mama is talking now. You are talking.
Shut up!
Try it again.
Shut up! You even have mouth to say something. Chinedunwa, the first boy that you went for was Lagos. You almost raped your Oga's daughter. It was inside that I came and carried you. Second one was in Togo. It was somebody's wife. and they almost killed you there. I had to send money from Nigeria here to Togo in order for you to come back. Now this one, Onitsha, you are peeping at your Oga's wife when she's bathing. Obugini.
Hey, Mama, wait. Mama, body dear. Mama, let me tell you. You see all those things you people are talking about is not. In fact, it's arrant nonsense. What do you mean, Mama? I said I did not rape anybody. That's period. If you like, go and believe in what my Oga said. I'm talking to me as if I'm not the occupant of this house.
Hey, Mama. Hey, you have to do something, oh. He is your only son. Because one day he might wake up and decide to rape me. I'm not saving this house.
Shut up, let me hear something. Decide to rape you for what? Is he an animal?
He might be, oh.
Is he not your brother? Why will you say such about your brother? Get out. Let me see.
Well, Mama, I've said my
Out.
own. I've said my own. Do something.
Nonsense children. Where is that evil dwarf? Chima! Chima! Mama. Are you going to die in washing that clothes? Are you dying there? Enya, do fast and go and with my family.
What do you even see in Gonna that you don't see in me? I've been giving you green light since now, but you don't seem to be looking at me.
Madam Babagida Junction, listen, I am not here to watch traffic lights. This is a palace.
But you talk and gist with her, you be laughing with her. Then you don't even see us, you don't gist with any other person in this place.
It is obvious. Yes, Ugonna is the only kind-hearted maiden in this palace. All of you, I don't know what you have here. Listen, wait. Where did you get that from? Who told you I was having anything with Ugonna?
It is crystal clear, like everybody can see it.
It is crystal touch. Everybody, mind your business, oh. See my armpit, oh.
What is wrong with this one? Summer, how are you?
I'm fine, Ogo. How are you doing?
Oge is liking you. I can see it in her eyes. She's liking you.
See ya. Relax. She's not liking me anything. Don't mind her. What's up?
The queen is set to leave.
Okay.
She asked me to call you.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, I'll be with the princess.
Okay, thank you.
Talk to you later. Okay, this is intentional. See my body.
Intentional. How will I intentionally pour water on you now?
You did this on purpose. Look at my boy. I won't be able to go out with the princess again.
Wait, let me clean it. Come first. Let me clean it. Sorry.
Which one is I should come? Please don't touch me. I don't like this.
Sorry now. I didn't know. Sorry.
I don't like this at all. It's okay. Please don't touch me.
Sorry. Okay. Rubbish. Oh, come now, let me clean it for you.
If the prince wants to marry Princess Abigail, it's not a big deal.
Oh no. I've explained everything to you. I don't know what else you want me to say. The prince has turned himself into what I don't know. Please, for now, let's keep our fingers crossed.
My queen, how long will this continue? The prince needs a wife for himself or by himself, whichever way, before the coronation.
The prince needs a wife. Yes, I know. That's why he's doing what he's doing. Oh no.
My queen.
The prince is studying Barbara.
I'm surprised, my queen. But the prince needs a good wife for himself and for the kingdom.
Yes.
It's strange. I know it's strange. That's why I've been mute. Let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for the best.
It's okay. It's alright.
I'm begging you, you know I have a bigger project at hand that I will make money. I'm begging you.
Uche. Uche.
Akudo.
Uche. How many times did I call you? How many times? Uche, do you know why I allowed you to touch me? Do you know why? Because I love cute guys. And I like cute face like this. But it's like I will stop it. Yes, I will stop it. Because we just knock once. You are forming love for me, Uche. You must be very, very stupid. Ibwe Uche.
Jesus.
I know do kage. If you are for you. And you are forming love for me, eh?
Jesus.
Jesus have nothing to do with this thing.
Okay.
Jesus have nothing to do with this thing at all. You work in a bakery. You sell bread. Not bread of life, oh. You are not even breadwinner of your family. Eh? And you want us to take this thing to another level. Eh, Uche? Uche? Hey.
Okay, Akudo, you always talk about this bakery, my bread, selling bread and all that. But you know that it's just a side hustle. I'm a graduate. I'm just using that as a part-time job. You know all this
Uche
thing.
and so?
But I'm optimistic.
Uche and so? My cream worth 25,000 naira. Uche, can you buy it for me? Can you? I buy 4 at a go. My soap is 15k. I buy 4 at a go. My perfume, my hair. Uche, you are making me angry. Oh. You are making me angry.
Akudo, I am sorry if I'm pissing you off, but the thing is, try and understand me. It's not about what we had, but it's about my feeling. I know.
Uche, let that feeling die.
Oh God.
Uche, let that feeling die, oh. Well, truth be told, you are good in bed. Yes! You are good in bed, but you have to go and make money and come back. Then we can talk about this love of 18 or dating. Don't even try to talk about love again. Close to me again, oh. Don't talk about love close to me again, Uche. Uche, please, I beg you. Uche! Hey.
Akudo, please. Understand me. I know.
Mbike o. Ibu mpi. Uche! Let me tell you, anytime, you stop me on the road, and talk about this rubbish again, Uche, I will use this thing and beat you. You're very, very stupid. I know.
Oh God.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy. Jidena na carpenter, where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom. Jidena na carpenter, where they knock boy. Jidena na carpenter, where they knock boy. Carpenter, where they knock boy. Not be furniture at all. Jidena na carpenter, where they knock boy. Carpenter, where they knock boy. Jidena na carpenter, where they knock boy.
It's just a dream. That carpenter boy is gradually eluding my mind.
He's so handsome. It's my spec. I can't wait to have him grace my bed. I need to see him. I need to.
Come closer now. Come closer. Even my back, just. Summer, do you know you're a very cute, handsome man? Do you know?
Thank you, my queen.
Good. And your hand, oh, it feels so good. Massage me. Oh, Summer, do you know you're a handsome, cute man? Go ahead and massage me. Your hand feels so good on my skin. Oh, massage me. Massage, you know.
No, my queen.
Summer, come.
Sorry, my queen. I can't go closer than this.
It's okay. Okay, go ahead. Massage your hand. Or do you rather massage my leg? That feels good.
Oh, wait, no, please.
Summer! Summer dinner!
The kingdom has been polluted. As I see him, everywhere don't corrupt you. Queen don't change you. As I see him, so everywhere pollute you.
Chinedu, what is wrong with you? Leave me alone. No. Don't do this. No, don't do that. I don't like it. Chinedu, are you okay? Stop it. You're my step brother.
It doesn't matter now.
No, don't do this. What is wrong? I will shout. Mama! I will shout. Oh. What is Chinedu? Mama! No, Chinedu.
What is wrong with
Mama?
you? Yeah? Look at this girl. I sent her to go and clean my room. And she said, shouting, mama. So can't I ask you to go and clean my room? Are you okay?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Mama. Are you stupid? So you cannot clean his room?
Nonsense.
You cannot clean his room. What is wrong with you? Mama. Oh yeah, run inside and go and start cleaning that room. Fast.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter.
Me, I don't understand though. This one she say when you come palace. As what now?
I have no idea. I don't know.
You have no idea, you don't know. Make that girl no can't use you for ritual. Come here, I don't want to do justice for Jidenna. Body apart, missing. Last scene, palace. You know add up.
Are you normal? Because sometimes you act very senseless. I think you should communicate so that we can take you to the psychiatric hospital.
Shut up your mouth. You want to begin cost me. You know,
No, but how can you expect me to take myself to the princess, then allow her kill me and use my body parts for rituals? Is that not... Are you okay? How can you make such statements?
No, I don't say you have no guesses. Because people where they do ritual for your mind now that they plan out. They go say, okay, as I go now, cut me, use me do ritual. But Abi, she tell you say Oga don't win the contract. Because Wait. Make it not be say princess they like you. That girl want like you.
Sorry, what do you mean by knack?
Shambi, what do you mean by knack?
What do you mean? I don't know, is she a carpenter?
Oga, shut up your mouth. For your mind, now only women. Now only men they knack women. Women too they knack men.
I still don't understand. What do you mean by she wants to knack me? Is she a carpenter like yourself?
Oh yeah, leave him. I know say I be carpenter. No need to tell me what. Leave him. Just go first. Look, we confirm whether na knack or something else. Go. No wahala.
Nnamdi, you are senseless. I repeat it again. You are senseless.
If I count how many times you don't cost me since this conversation starts, you go don't cross 80. Any other one will come out from your mouth again now. I will show you why I be your senior. Oh, because you dey wear this thing. For your mind, this one can't be like, na me and Oga go settle why they give you this thing. For your mind now, this sky blue, it don't make you senior.
Nnamdi, I say you are very senseless.
Okay, talk
and I can prove it.
You talk again. It cost me.
You need mental evaluation.
Hey, you see they cost me. Okay, Oyibo, for your mind now, you sabi speak English. Go on, Kota, join English or you dey speak now. It don't make you now pass. Pass who? Cost me again now.
You are senseless.
Hey, it cost me. Okay. Abino, because say you don't sabi speak 1 or 2 English, you feel say you don't arrive. That shock you. Jidenna, you are a bloody carpenter. And you can never make it to the point of furniture.
My brother, I called you here for something important to me.
Okay, and what is it?
I want Chima to be your apprentice. In fact, I want her to be a carpenter.
Hey, Mama, Chima, carpenter. Mama, why now?
My friend, shut up. Let me hear something. What is wrong with that? Is it not a job? Do you know how much those people are making? Do you know? Do you know how much they are selling one bed?
Mama, that is more reason why I should be the one to go and learn the carpenter.
Your head cannot carry carpenter work.
Mama, I should be the one to go and learn the carpentry work so that by the time I'm free from Oga, I'll start building my own upholstery. I'll start selling them and make money to build another house. Look at the bumper mine.
No, not you. Please, I don't want you in my shop. Please don't be offended.
No, but why?
Mama Nedu.
No, why now?
Mama Nedu. Please, I don't have all day here. You know your son very well. He cannot learn any woodwork in my shop. That is all. Please.
Anyway, he's not the one learning the work. It's Chimamanda, my stepdaughter. Henceforth, she'll be coming to your shop as your apprentice. If there is anything you need, just let me know. I'll provide it. Forget about this one. It's not this one that is learning. Oh?
Mama, look at what you're saying. Instead of you to confuse him for me to go and learn the carpentry work,
your head
you
cannot
insist
carry
on
it.
Chima going to a woman to go and learn carpentry work. Mama,
Your head cannot carry carpenter.
who told you I cannot carry it? Mama, I am the diokpara. My head will carry everything. Isim nebute, yo isi nebogidi. Look at, yes, I am diokpara. I am diokpara. I'm supposed to take care of all of you. If you just send me now to go and learn this carpenter work, what will happen? When you get menu, you know, Chimamanda. Mama, this thing you are doing is not good, though. God is watching you.
I will take my leave.
It's okay, no problem.
God is watching you, Mama.
Don't mind him.
Very soon, Mama. Remember, God is watching you.
Egodi, how many times did I call you? Agba mbụ atụ n'ogwe. Agba abụ atụ n'ogwe. Ọ na-abụ ogwe apịrị atụ. A na-akọ na-asọ nne nnukwu anya m ka nne nnukwu anya lara onwe ya. Nke agụma wee Egodi chọkọta nchọ ịchọta nchọ. How can you seize her work money and force her to go and learn carpentry work? Why are you this wicked to her? Now tell me. How many women can do such a hard job? You did not even give her option. What happened to stylist? Salon? Computer training? Of all that, what is carpenter for this girl? You are doing this because she's an orphan.
Oga, if you don't talking, you leave my house.
Mama. Mama, please. Mama, I don't want to learn carpentry work. I want to finish my exams.
I said I don't have money. I don't have money. Is it hard for you to understand? I don't have money. I don't have money. Eh? And I have made it clear. Except you want to go and do hookup. If you want to lay hookup, no problem, but not in this house.
Hey, good. You say what? Why are you so wicked to her? This is pure wickedness. Why are you being so wicked to her? Why? Stop it, woman.
Stop what? Stop what? If you register her in WAEC with your money, will you die? Is she not your brother's daughter? Is your brother's daughter not your own daughter too? Use your money and register her.
Hey, good. You are pointing at me.
Be talking
Hey,
as if
you are pointing at me.
Please.
God is watching you. I say God is watching you.
God is watching you.
He's watching you.
God is watching you. God, Satan, both of them, they are watching you. Stupid, foolish old man. Every time you come here and be doing as if you're a good person. If you're a good person, why can't you use your money and register her? Or in fact, carry her to your house. Is it not your own daughter too?
Good woman.
Nonsense. And you, what I see in here? You went and called your uncle for me to come and beat me in my own house. You called him to come and beat me. Chimamanda. Hey. Chimamanda, you called your aunt to come and beat me in my own house. Oh yeah. Out. Get out. Chimamanda, I say out. Dirty thing. I don't want to learn carpentry work. I want to ride my WAEC. You have started growing wings. Don't worry, I'll bring it down. Oh man, I know now.
Uche, are you mad? Are you really mad? Are you okay? What is the meaning of this? Eh? Are you okay?
Good.
Shut up! My God will surely punish you. My God will punish you, Shepu. Eh? You are begging me with a lot of bread. Are you okay? Uche, I don't love you and I will never love you. I will never love you. What's your problem? Why disturbing me?
Hello. I hope there's no problem at all.
Good day.
I saw you hitting this young man from afar.
Oh, nothing like that, okay? He's just my cousin brother, Uche.
I
We are just
see.
playing around.
Oh, playing around.
Yes.
Uche. Your cousin's sister, she looks good. I like what I see.
Thank you, my Prince Charming.
Can you please turn around for me to view your real estate? I like what I see.
Oh, thank you, Prince Charming.
God's creation is indeed wonderful.
Please, are you going down the road?
Oh yes, as a matter of fact, I'm going to see one of my estates.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Then, Uche, you'll be going home, okay? We'll see you at home, oh? That's right. Be going now.
Alright, send me well to the family.
Yes, very well.
That young man doesn't look like your cousin brother to me.
Is this your car? You have a nice car.
Oh yes, that's my car, one of my cars.
You're a prince.
Oh yes, it is what it is.
Wow.
But that young man, he doesn't look like your cousin brother to me.
Okay. I'll say this. I'm really sorry for the unreasonable lie. He was my boyfriend. Can you imagine? This guy cheated on me 15 good times.
Oh, that's too bad.
Very, very bad. And he has the guts to use loaves of bread to come and beg me for forgiveness.
It seems he's the breadwinner of his family.
He's like...
Anyways, like I said, I'm going to see one of my estates down the road. Where are you headed?
My place. And it's so glad if my prince will take me to my father's place.
Oh, that's with all pleasure.
Really?
I will. Oh, yes. Come on.
Okay.
Step into greatness. I like what I see. I like your real estate. It makes me feel like I'm a rich man.
Driver, have you forgotten I'm here?
Yes, my son. Is that right? No. Don't bother your head. I'm here for you. Just relax. Yes. You know, this is why I came back in the first place. Just relax. Yeah. I must make sure it happens in this kingdom. Forget about the queen. She's my friend. I can handle her. Yes. The good thing is, Uchiume is on our side. Yes! Okay. That's good. Alright, son. Bye for now.
I am telling you the truth. The princess is not fit for a wife. Yes. Listen, I know what I'm saying. See, I have evidences. I can further prove this. Even the queen herself is nothing to write home about. I'm telling you. Yes. I have to go now, please.
You know what? I found you, eh? Yes. Let me call you back. Yes. I found you, no problem.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy. Carpenter, where they knock boy. Not be furniture, then na carpenter.
Jidenna, what are you doing? You are drinking Gary?
I'm eating, sir.
Oh, yeah, leave it. The princess called. She said you should come to the palace right now. Oh yeah, let's get going.
Boss, I'm eating now.
So you want me to lose a whole contract from the palace because of this Gary you are drinking? Because of ordinary Gary?
But can't I go in the evening? I can't. Let me finish my food now.
Before I open my eyes and close it. Come on, get going now. What are you doing?
Let me go and change.
If I meet you there.
I want to change.
Hello, my princess.
Hello. Hello. Are you okay? Hello. Hello. Are you alright?
Yeah, this is the place. This is my father's house.
Oh, I like the environment.
Thank you.
Well, I have to run along now.
Okay.
I'll see you some other time.
No problem. Do call me, okay?
Most definitely.
My Prince Charming.
You can say that again.
My Prince Charming.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Mama. What is it? Mama is a prince.
Woo! A prince?
Yes, Mama.
Royalty is coming into my home.
Yes, Mama. Come, let me gist you. Come.
A queen to be.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
It's all right. What if I escort you home?
No. Don't worry yourself. I'll be fine. I'll go alone.
Okay. So, are you ready to tell me why you're moody and you are not in school today?
Oguche, please. I don't have all the time now. It's a long story. I have to be on my way. I have other things to do at home.
Okay, but Chima, please, will you be able to tell your stepsister about what I discussed with you? I really need you to help me. It's not easy.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Please.
But I hope she will give me a listening ear.
All right, no problem. Just try your best for me, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Oguche.
Okay.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy.
Young man, I don't know why you're still proving stubborn. I mean, you should be happy and excited that you're standing before me freely.
Madam, I'm trying to understand you. You said I should follow you to your bedroom. And I say no. I don't go into people's bedrooms except I'm going to work and there's someone with me. I don't know how else I'm proving stubborn.
Do you even know the reason you're here?
Madam, see now. I came to work. Oh, in fact, can you tell me why I'm here? I'm a carpenter. I came to work, man.
I want you. I want you to grace my royal bed. I want to see you naked in my bed, caressing me, making love to me. I want to feel you. I want to feel your handsomeness. I want to feel that thing in between your leg, inside of me. I want all of you. That is why you're here. And I know that you can never turn your princess down, right? You better be a good boy. Let's go.
So sorry, madam. How old are you? Oh, okay. Madam, listen. I work for God. I'm a child of God. I'm an altar servant. So, what you're asking for is very, very impossible. Besides, you're not married. And I'm equally not married to you. Why are you asking me to show you my nakedness? Madam, I thought you were a princess. You're not supposed to do that, right? Madam, please, you don't have anything else to say. I have to go now, please.
Like I said, you sound really naive. I mean, look at me. Your princess offering you her body on a platter, and you dare reject me? Who do you think you are? Anyways, I don't care. But you should know that your rejection or acceptance will determine if your boss will have that contract. So you better be a good boy and do as I have instructed right now.
Madam, wait, are you trying to say that if I don't sleep with you, my boss will not get the contract?
Exactly my point. So shall we?
I'm sorry, I can't do that, man. I can't. In fact, madam, have a nice day.
What? Did he just walk out on me?
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Then I'm a carpenter, carpenter where they knock. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom bum. Then I'm a carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy boy. Then I'm a carpenter, carpenter where they knock.
Open now. Can you imagine? Come, is this a palace or a hotel?
This place?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Can you imagine? I should sleep with you before you give my boss the contract. Are you out of your mind? Eh? A very small girl for that matter.
For this palace.
This boy there walk out on me. I'll show you. This is my phone. Okay. I'll show you. Yeah, Mr. Man, listen and listen real good. You better make your boy dance to my tune. Else, kiss that contract goodbye. I am the princess of this kingdom. Whatever I want, I shall get. Do you understand? I want that boy to grace my bed, and so shall it be. Better make him dance to my tune. Talk to him. Else, you kiss that contract goodbye. Rubbish.
The kingdom has been polluted. As I see him, everywhere don't corrupt you. Queen don't change you.
Summer. My queen,
Are you aware that I am the queen of this kingdom?
Yes, my queen.
Why then did you refuse me when I asked you to come to bed with me?
I'm sorry, my queen. I didn't mean to.
Oh, I get it. You are sleeping with one of my maidens, right? My maidens, one of them. What is her name? Which of them?
I'm sorry, my queen. I'm not seeing or having anything with any of the maidens. We are just co-workers in the palace.
You are barely 1 month in this palace. If I find out that you are sleeping with any of my maidens, somehow you will not like what I will do to you. Now delete from my presence immediately.
Thank you, my queen.
The kingdom has been polluted.
Nonsense.
As I see him, everywhere don't
Why would he refuse me?
Queen don't change you. As I see him, so everywhere polluted. Everywhere don't they stink you. Because of evil.
I go wine. These are my friends. And I've explained everything they need to know already. There are powerful men in this kingdom.
Agumai, we are very ready to make sure that your son becomes the king of this kingdom. Yes. I am saying this because I believe in my heart that he will deliver. So that, you know now, one good turn deserves another. So now you turn down and help us do things for us now.
Exactly. You shouldn't bother about your friend, the queen. When the time comes, we place her where she belongs.
I go on. Just with very small token. Small token. And we will organize and bring more men to our side.
And very importantly,
and youths.
Yes. Our youths.
Okay, my elders. I'm going to give 5 million naira. Please, my elders, I want you to share the money amongst yourselves and extend some to Onowu and the youths.
Definitely we play according to the code of your deal. Jubem will be the next king, whether they like it or not.
My elders, thank you very much for this meeting. Honestly, I appreciate it. And this is what I've been wanting to hear. Thank you very much. Ichume, I promise you, you will never regret this. I'll keep surprising you every day, therein, thereout.
On my honor. I can't wait.
There's something that Ume told me sometime. Some of this pillow now. Myself, I need massage, so that's.
Oh, Basi.
My elders, just relax. Relax, yes. I'm going to arrange some girls that will take very good care of you.
Oh, Basi, we're good.
You will not tell me what to do, mother. You do not, I repeat.
Barbara?
Yes. I shall have that boy on my bed. Just the way you flawed yourself with all those small boys that are young enough to be your children. You do not tell me what to do!
How dare you? Have you lost it? Are you insane? Are you crazy? Are you stupid? Have you forgotten that I am your mother? You dare not speak to me in that manner. Oh, I got it. I don't blame you. Yes, I blame myself for allowing you to get whatever you wanted. Yes, by refusing your late father to train you the way he wanted. Now you have the guts, the impetus to look me right in my eyes and tell me I flawed boys around. Now listen, you will give that job to Ekene.
Lies! You lie, mother!
No attachment.
I will do no such thing. Look at you, claiming all righteous. If you were to be a good mother, my late father wouldn't have developed heart attack and died when he caught you sleeping with his best friend in a hotel, mother. In a hotel! My father covered your sin and kept you under his kingdom. And here you are, preaching to me. Really? Whatever I am today, you taught me. You made me to understand that I am a princess. And whatever I want, I shall get. You made me to understand that I am a princess. That whatever I want, whatever I seek, at the snap of my finger, I shall get it. So what are you saying now? Tell me. You see that boy? I shall have him grace my bed. Else, I will not release a dime for that furniture to be done. Read my lips, mother. Please leave my room. I want to be left alone.
The only crime I committed was making sure you had a better ground. You've just reminded me that I caused the death of your father. You also reminded me that you can't forgive me, your mother.
Enough. Enough of this emotional blackmail. I'm not cut out for all of that. Like I said, I, Princess Barbara, I shall have Jidenna grace my bed. And there is nothing you can do about it. Oh, don't tell me you also want to have a taste of him. Oh, I get it now. Mother, you also want Jidenna to grace your bed? Now I understand everything. No problem, it's fine. Come on, mother. We can share. There is love in sharing. We can even do a threesome. How about that?
Shut it! Shut up! There is no need overstressing this. Go ahead. You can have your way. Do whatever you want. I like the sound of that, mother. Now we are talking. Jidenna, I shall have your respect.
My queen, the gods revealed to me that something is about to happen to this kingdom.
Something like what?
Gang up. Someone wants to take over this kingdom.
Someone?
Yes.
How?
The face was not clear to me. But the future king, the prince, need to be protected by all means. I want you to be very careful and mind the kind of people you bring around you this time around.
Oh no.
My queen.
I am confused. How can someone plan to take away this throne from my lineage? It's a birthright.
My queen, the heart of men are evil and desperately wicked. My queen, you need to be very careful, especially our incoming king, the prince. We need to protect him. You need to be very careful.
Yes, no problem. No, but you get it tomorrow. Okay, no problem. Thank you. I'll call you back. Okay. Ivy, how far?
You know, say, now tomorrow you dey go meet Princess Barbara. You know.
I'm trying to understand you. What for?
What for now? Waiting now. Shouldn't be what for? What for say you don't want to sleep with her again? But you want me to lose this contract? I don't understand.
I spoke to the queen about the entire situation. So she's going to call her to order.
Guy, you don't get sense. No, I want to know. You don't get sense.
How do you mean?
Sleep with princess, you dey go talk to queen. How?
Namdi, are you mad?
Oga, make we don't lose this.
Namdi, are you normal? Are you okay? Is something wrong with you?
Be like say you no see Oga no dey use the work play. Now when we lose this contract, you go see Oga true color.
Oh, Namdi, I have a good suggestion. How about you sleep with her on my behalf?
Hey. Now you for talk this thing, sister. Hey, yeah. Make I do one for you. I go do one for your behalf. Guy, I go do one for your behalf.
I'm going to end this. Let me end my life. Papa!
Why do you want to take your own life? Don't you want me to be proud of you, my daughter?
Papa!
If only you know what tomorrow has in stock for you. You will dance like never before.
Papa! Papa! Papa, your daughter! Your daughter is carpenter, Papa!
Your greatness comes from where you never expected. And there lies your destiny. My daughter, Chimamanda, embrace your fate.
Papa! Papa! Papa!
Mama! What happened?
Mama,
What is it?
Mama,
What is it?
Mama, his brother Chinedu.
Chinedu did what?
Mama, he's touching me. He's touching. Brother Chinedu is touching me.
Brother Chinedu is touching you.
Yes, Mama.
Touching you how? Is he not your brother? Can't he touch you? Eh? What is it? What's your problem? Why are you always shouting? It eh? So because brother Chinedu touch you, is he not your brother? Don't disturb me in this house again. Let me not hear your voice from inside again.
Okay. Most definitely. Sure. No problem at all. All right. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Prince Charming.
Calm down. I'm not in the mood right now.
My prince, this is our first night together. You're going to enjoy it, trust me.
I know. Just hold on. My mom just called.
I hope she's fine.
Yes, she's fine. But don't worry, I just want to cool off. I want to rest my head now. As I'm cool, we'll continue from where we start.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure?
Sure. Hold on.
Okay.
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Jidena na carpenter, where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter.
This is 1 feet. Hold on. This is 1 feet. 2 feet. And this is 3 feet. So we're going to use the saw blade and cut off this part because all we need is 3 feet. So we'll cut out the rest because it's useless. I know you. Don't I know you? I saw you the other day crying, right? I tried to stop you.
Yes. And I am sorry for ignoring you.
Was it you?
Yes, it's me.
Hey, I was... Oh, no, it's okay. It's alright, no problem. I'm just surprised to see you here.
No problem. I'm sorry, please.
No, it's okay. So let's continue. So like I said, yeah? This is 1 feet, 2 feet. 3 feet.
Altogether 3 feet.
Yes, we're using 3 feet. So we're going to use the saw blade to cut out this part because it's useless.
No problem.
So you write it down.
Wherever my daughter wants, wherever she stands, that is where I stand.
Yes, my queen. You don't need to worry yourself.
You have Betty there to convince her.
Yes, my queen. I'll do just that.
You may leave.
Thank you, my queen.
The kingdom has been polluted. As I see him, everywhere don't corrupt you. Queen don't change you. As I see him, so everywhere pollute you. Everywhere don't they stink you. because of evil deed. Chimo, upon the winata, we are
What is wrong with you? What's the problem?
Look my waist, Mama, please.
What is this? Come on. Are you mad?
Look at me.
Are you sick?
I'm not full enough.
Be careful.
I'm sorry, my queen.
It's okay. You won't be sorry anymore. You are his girlfriend, right?
No, my queen, I'm not his girlfriend. Though. I'm not.
Then what I saw must be deceiving, or someone is lying to the queen.
My queen, I'm not lying, no. I'm not lying.
There is no need. It's okay. All is fine. In your next life, you will never lie to a queen. If there will be a nice life for you. Nonsense. Clean the mess.
Wickedness running their vein. Negodi, if a mad in a mad wickedness runs in their vein. Negodia, if a mad in a mad
My queen. Oh no. All we are demanding for is simple. We want to know the whereabouts of our prince. I mean, we cannot be kept in the dark for too long.
Who is keeping you in the dark? Do you know what the prince is doing over there? He has to finish whatever he is doing before he comes back. I don't know. Do you have any problem in this kingdom?
Oh no, we don't get the point.
What is the point?
We want to know everything. Everything. I mean, he's our prince. The heir apparent to this throne. Our next king we're talking about here. We want to know.
And I don't know what you elders want to do with such an information. And the manner in which you are asking is very, very questionable.
Shut up, woman. Don't ever interfere in our discussion. Who are you, by the way?
Iche, how dare you? You speak to my friend like that?
Ume, or that progonono kikurieku.
My queen, please. Don't tell me that. With all due respect. Please. I mean, let's call a spade a spade. She shouldn't interfere in our meeting. Who invited her in the first place? Who invited you here?
I did. Do you have a problem with that? Iche, I'm watching you. Iche. Just imagine. Iche.
My dear friend, you need to be very careful with these elders in council. No, I don't trust them. Remember what Onowu told you concerning his dream. I think you should be very, very careful with them. I don't trust any of them.
Anne, don't worry about me. You know I'm careful. I'm only worried about my son.
Talking about your son, where exactly is he? Is he protected? Is he with enough security? Because the last time we spoke, you told me that he went out in search of a good girl for himself.
And you're forgetting that my son is the next king of this kingdom. He's protected. The girls are his security. Don't worry about that, please.
But my dear, where exactly is he? We need to know.
I don't know either. He never told me.
That's very strange. Because as the mother, you need to know.
Look, Anne, that's not my problem now. My son is a grown man. He can take care of himself. Take your drink, please.
The queen has refused to speak. She has refused to tell me, her best friend, her son's whereabouts.
Agoma, what we need to do now is to find the prince wherever he is and kill him. I believe you can handle the queen.
But Ichi, why is Ono not on our side yet?
What about to know? We must find the prince first. See, Ono is a very hard nut to crack. So we have to be careful in dealing with him. That's why I will involve with Chiazoka, his best friend, to work on him.
Yes. See.
Yes.
But Ono,
Agoma,
you've got charms. Why not use it on the prince? Or are you not among the bad eggs we have in this community again?
Agoma, the prince is a royal blood. Charms cannot work on him. Else, it will backfire. That's why we say, do your part. Work on the queen to tell you the exact place he is. Then the job will be more easier. It will be more easier for us to do.
Ume, don't tell me that. I've already paid you people for this job, you know. Don't tell me that. Don't not get me angry.
Easy.
Don't get me angry.
Relax.
What's this?
Relax. Run it. There must be a way out. I said relax. That's what. Do your part. We will do our part. I promise you, we will deliver.
Iche, you better deliver.
We will deliver.
You better deliver. Just find the prince and do the needful.
We will deliver. Calm down. We're on it already. Prince Oman, wherever you are, I must fish you out. It's a promise.
Chinedu, what is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Now what is it?
In Alpuala. Eh?
No, what have I done now? Eh? Every time you be shouting Chinedu. What is it? I don't like this, you know.
Do you want to rape your stepsister?
Me rape my stepsister? How?
What were you doing in her room? What were you doing in her room last night?
Mama,
even after what you did the other day?
Mama, let me tell you. As long as I'm concerned, I am the head of this house. I am the diokpara of this house. I have every right to enter any room, anytime, any day. When all of you were sleeping, I'm supposed to move around as the head of the house to see you. I mean, check your mom on a laroko. That's how you should be. Not why are you shouting Chinedu? Very soon now, all this, and the worst we say every time they shout rape, mama. I don't want all these small girls in this village to start running from me. I mean, I've actually named rape, and I like him and Mao.
Are you on the course? Abrugono.
Look at it. Look at her.
Mama, good afternoon.
Also, good afternoon. See, Akwage, you left this house since yesterday. Look at the time you're coming back. Since yesterday. Mama, you're not saying anything. Okay. Look at her, your product. China made. You won't say anything, I know. Like mother, like daughter. But, Akwefoge, Any day you make mistake, carry belle enter this house. What I go do you? Anyway, I no go fit carry you. Now to look for wheelbarrow, take bundle you out. Idiot.
How is the prince?
Mama Prince is doing fine. Trust me.
So everything is going.
Everything is soft.
Welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
This your brother is stressing me.
Mama, come.
Hey, I cannot wait to do it. Hey, good mother.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Uchenna.
Mama.
How are you?
Fine, no. I'm fine. Uncle?
What is it? Mama, please. Please, stay out of this, please.
Okay.
Hey! How many times have I warned you to stop coming to this compound? Uche, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? I don't love you, Uche. I don't love you. Every time you be coming to my father's compound, what? What do you want from me, Uche? I don't love you. Is it because you're bringing bread for us? That's why you're showing your face in my father's compound anyhow. What do you want, Uche? Leave me alone, or I leave my father's compound. Leave!
Aku, can you just listen to
I
me?
said leave my father's compound. Okay, I see Sunday.
Why are you doing
Brother
like
Thief! Brother! Brother Thief! Thief! Come! Thief!
You know I'm not a thief now. I'm not a thief.
You're a thief!
Okay,
You're a thief! You're a thief! You're a thief! Thief! You're a thief! Brother! Please! Brother, please! Don't kill him! Please! It's yours! Mama, stand now! It's yours! But I don't know you're a man, oh. My bro! I go one.
If you near me, idiot, I go one. Watermelon. You called me thief. I come out to you. You are stopping me from beating him.
Bro, I not asked you to kill him now.
Don't ask me to kill him.
Brother! My bro!
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy. Then na carpenter, where they knock. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom. Then na carpenter, where they knock boy.
You are sleeping.
No, I'm relaxing.
You are relaxing.
Sorry, I slept off.
I know. We work here, we don't sleep off here.
Yes, I know.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You're sure?
Yes.
Have you eaten? Because I bought food.
I'm not hungry.
You are not hungry. Go and get spoons so that we can eat. I bought some food for us. Get up. We'll go there and go to that place. Are you sure you're alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Enter that place. You see some spoons, so you get two. Let me ask for pure water. I am coming. Mr. Ekene, I'm sorry. You have to stop saying these things to me because I'm not going to do it. You're only wasting your time, sir.
You're not going to do it.
I won't do it, sir.
Then you have to leave my shop. Yes. See, it's either you do what I want, what the princess wants, or you leave my shop. Period.
Mr. Ekene, what do you mean? You're asking me to sleep with the princess, else I leave your shop. How can you say that to me, sir?
Before. See, you have just today to make up your mind, or else I'm not playing about it. Oh.
Sir, I've made up my mind already. I'm not going to do it. I'm not. What kind of rubbish is that? I don't understand.
Wait. You mean the princess wants to sleep with you?
Yes.
So, if you don't sleep with her, the contract will not be granted.
That's what it looks like.
He will. I'm surprised.
Today is my last day in this shop.
Didn't wait. Didn't do this. So that's it. You say this are all the stubborn one time.
I love to hug you.
Same here.
You miss me, don't you?
Well, I will not lie.
Somadina, may I see you for a minute?
Hello, fine. I'll see you later.
I'll see you.
Somadina,
What's up?
what are you doing? What are you doing, Somadina?
What do you mean, what am I doing? You just saw me discussing with, just having a chat with some people now.
Somadina, have you asked yourself, where is Ogi? Look, the queen would kill any girl that comes close to you.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
Somadina, the queen has her eyes on you. Yes, you're a guy. You already know now. As we speak, Oge is forgotten. Oge is gone. Somadina, I don't want anything to happen to my cousin sister. I know you both are close.
Wait. In fact, you're not making any sense. What do you mean by the queen has her eyes on you? What do you mean that Oge is gone? I don't understand. What are you talking about? What do you mean? What are you talking about?
I'm trying to say that the queen is in love with you and would kill any girl that comes close to you. As we speak, Oge is gone. Oge is forgotten.
This is the way you are dragging me.
Stay away from Somadina. I'm telling you now. Stay away from Somadina. Do you hear me?
But you are not saying anything. I don't understand.
Ugonaya, I am warning you. Stay away from Somadina. If you want to live, if you want to stay long on earth, stay away from Somadina. You know I'm your only brother. I'm your only cousin brother that will tell you the truth. You don't have parents. Stay away from Somadina. If you want to live, stay away from Somadina. Better still listen to me and leave. Period.
But what is he talking about? What does he mean by stay away from Somadina? He's not even making sense to me. He's not explaining anything to me. I don't understand. What is all this? Stay away from Somadina.
Good. I want you and your children to listen and listen good. The words of the elders are the words of wisdom. This thing you and your children did to Chimamanda, you are going to regret it later. Bet me. All your children sat for their final examination. It got to your stepdaughter. You seized the money that her late father left for her. Ate the money, beat her up, and forced her to go and learn furniture. Not even hairdressing, which is suitable for women in this society. Why?
Uncle, why are you insulting our own mother in our presence? Uncle, I don't like this thing, no.
Chinedu,
Mama?
Are you going to just sit and watch this stupid uncle of yours to insult me?
Uncle, you heard my mother. As it is now, your time is up. If you get, Uncle, leave. Uncle, leave now before me you know me. Go now, Uncle.
Uncle, go. Okay, you're still sitting down there, Nabi. You're still sitting down there. Wait for me, I'm coming.
Uncle, I don't want to push you.
No! You could have stand. Let me use this thing and design your face. Foolish man. Idiot. Mama, relax yourself.
Shut up. Watermelon. So if they allow you now, you use this and I hit that old man.
Yes, now.
You're very stupid. So it has gotten for you to take the decision as the first son while I'm here. You forgot that I'm the doctor of this house.
Shebi, he's bragging. I have children that will put him in his rightful place.
Next time you try this rubbish,
Mama! Anu ofia jo ala okuko.
let's go.
Come on, sit down. The meeting is by 3 and this is just 2. Sit down, let's continue to agree.
And I don't want to be there before 3.
Oh, please. Come and sit down. I have something important to discuss with you.
No! I'm running late. Let's go. Please. Wait for me.
Wickedness runs in their vein.
Uchenna, I'm deeply sorry for this experience.
It's okay. It's okay.
I tried my best. But you know my sister, since my father died, they started being harsh to me. She hates me.
Well, it's okay. I really understand. I understand everything. At least I'm not new to your family. But I don't understand what's up with you and carpentry work. I thought you are preparing for your final exam. I mean, you're sitting for WAEC.
Oh, I'm okay with it.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes. You know my late father is a furniture man before he died.
Yes, I do.
So,
but at least they should have allowed you further or complete your secondary education. At least that's what parents do for their child.
Obuchena, please, you have to go now. You know, you're coming to this workshop may send a wrong message to people around. Please. I'm sorry for that.
Huh? It's okay. It's about the law.
I hope you understand.
I understand. Take care of yourself, eh?
Okay. Bye-bye.
I'm trying to understand. Did you say your stepmother forced you to learn this job and took away the money for your education, your WAEC?
Yes. You know, I'm just telling you this because I feel comfortable around you. I feel I can trust you too.
Wow. But what kind of stepmother do you have? I actually thought you came here to learn this job on your own. Listen, I'm sorry. I apologize for what you have been through.
There's no problem. I'm fine.
You can be very...
But you speak very well. So, why is this job?
Maybe I'm enjoying it. But the truth is, I had a father who used to be a carpenter before he died. So I'm just here, you know, working hard, trying to acquire more knowledge so I can expand in the future.
Okay, there's no problem. So, you know you are my senior, so I would like you to teach me more of this
That's
job.
not a problem. Of course I will. I will.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your stepmother is very funny.
Jidena. Yeah. You know how long I don't stand for here? Who they go Lagos could all reach Ore?
What is
you
it?
were now.
What is it? What is it?
It be like saying you dey think about that princess of Abi. You dey think. If you ask me, my humble suggestion, doggy go better. And also you don't think of this time you go. Cowgirl. No like that one. Okay. Snake in the murky shadow. Snake in the murky shadow, guy!
Yes, I can hear you. And you need to understand me. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Immediately we close from the meeting, I only have one thing at mind, to go back to the palace. It's not easy. I'm sorry. Okay. I will make it up to you. Tomorrow? No. Let's make it next tomorrow. I promise. I'm sorry. Don't be angry. You're just dragging this. I don't like it. I'm sorry. It's okay. Hope you're okay now.
All right, my good friend. Thank you very much. Yeah. I really appreciate, honestly. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
All right. Bye. And
Queen Amara, you escaped from your kingdom, but you will not escape from mine. I shall take you down, and my son will be the next king of this kingdom.
Oh, my love, I'm so sorry. I've been very, very busy.
I know.
Please. Well, I've been thinking about what my cousin brother told me earlier today.
The queen wants to lay with me.
You said what? Are you serious or you are joking?
I am dead serious. And it seems I will quit this job.
Oh my word. So what are you going to do then?
For now, I don't know.
You know what I think? I think you and I have to be very, very careful in this palace.
Yes, indeed. Have you seen Oge today?
Not.
I want you to have your eye on Summer.
Yes, my queen.
Let me know who he is seeing in this palace.
Yes, my queen.
Hope you understand what I mean.
Yes, my queen.
Call him for me.
Yes, my queen.
You never can tell what future hold for you. You never can tell what tomorrow will bring for you.
So you quit your job because of my offer?
Yes.
And you think I will let you go just like that?
Madam, I might not be in the same class with you, but the last thing I will do is to sleep with you. I can't do that, sorry.
Do you realize that you are talking to the future queen of this great kingdom?
Yeah.
How dare you speak to me in such manner? Are you okay? What is wrong with him? Look at this dirty thing I'm trying to help.
Very dirty.
Can you imagine? Who do you think you are to speak to me with such boldness?
Nobody. Come on, carpenter. Whenever I will enter furniture. Now small boy. Eh? See, I go talk to her. So because you are knock for head, so. Now, you know.
How? What?
Eh.
Did he just walk out on me?
No vex. Eh, see, I go talk to her. You understand? Now small boy. Now small boy, they worry him. You don't understand? I was there. Now that they burn up now.
Enough! Enough! I'm not caught up with all this rubbish. If you know what is good for you, talk to your friend. Talk to your friend! What rubbish?
I go talk to her. I go talk to her. Eh, what did you say? I don't know what do you want me to tell her? Say make it call, you dey wait for her for bedroom, for toilet, for bathroom. I don't know. That small boy, listen, get big bowler. Now, that's a small boy. And they see if the peace, no reason now. No reason now.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Wow.
Hey, princess. Cassava.
Just talk to him.
I go talk to her. My princess. I don't know whether you go like doggy. No, if he enter you with doggy, you know he go scatter you. Go scatter you. Snake in the monkey shadow.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you so much, my queen.
How is your mother, the queen?
She's doing great. She's fine.
Barbara, you look so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my queen. Thank you for the compliments. I feel honored. Thank you.
Barbara.
Yes, my queen.
I heard there's a prince coming for your hand in marriage. Is that true?
Yes, no, no. No, my queen. He's just a friend. Trust me, and he knows his boundaries. I do not have any suitor coming for me. I promise you. It's just my friend.
It's okay.
It's just a friend. I promise you.
I don't mean it that way.
Okay.
I just want you to know that my son is still interested in you. And will come see your people when he comes back from abroad.
I cannot wait to see my future husband, my queen. I'm so happy. And don't worry, you don't have anything to worry about, okay? Nobody will take me away from you.
Samadina, leave us.
Yes, my queen.
I want you to lay with my daughter. That is her desire. I will give you 5 million naira to do that.
My queen, I'm trying to understand you. I reported the matter to you for an action to be taken. I'm very surprised that you're saying this to me now. But you're supposed to be a queen and a mother. Are you supposed to make such statements? Your daughter is going to be married to somebody someday and she's going to be a queen.
You dare talk to me about the role of a mother?
No. I'm just saying that I didn't expect that from you, ma. That's all.
You will do exactly as I said. I will not repeat myself. You will do exactly as I said. You will not decline my offer. I will not state it again. No. Your Majesty. Okonkwo, I want you to delete your presence from my palace with immediate effect. You have no business coming here to ask or tell me what I don't know. Your Majesty, delete yourself. Are you aware that I am the Onowu of this kingdom? As if it makes any difference. I do not care. Get out before I change my mind. I said delete yourself from my presence. I see. It is all right.
So, how did she find out that the prince was coming for me?
You should ask yourself that question and not me.
Listen and listen real good. I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again. Do you understand that? What we had was just a fling. So please, do not push it further. Don't dare me. Do you understand?
I understand.
I mean, what is even wrong with you, Prince Charles? What? You go about telling people that we are dating. How dare you?
I said I understand. Get out of my hotel room!
Do not raise your voice at me. Don't try it. Don't try it again. Listen and listen real good. If the queen ever changes her mind of me getting married to her son, trust me, I shall find you and end you.
Suit yourself. Rubbish.
Okay, what is it? Why are you fidgeting? Sit down.
Oh, okay, but I thought you said you are coming to take a measurement. I don't understand. Why are you like this? I'm confused.
Why are you confused, Chimamanda? I'm your guy. I called you here so that I can have you and enjoy you. I'm tired.
Okay, Kene. You can't. I don't understand. Help me out.
Chimamanda, are you a kid? A bomb mazi. I want to sleep with you. Let's enjoy together.
Okay, Kene. No. We can't do this. You are my boss. I did not negotiate for this. I think I have to go. Oh!
Oh. You escaped today. Chimamanda! Amanda, come back here!
What is my business with Onowu's visitation to the palace? You can handle that. I just want to be satisfied, mother. I just want to feel good. I want to be satisfied. Is that too much to ask? I mean, I am the princess of Amanato Kingdom. Yes. So whatever I want, I shall get. I want Jidena to grace my bed. And I shall get him. Mother, since I was born, since you gave birth to me, no man born of a woman has ever rejected me. Now tell me, is that not enough reason for me to be angry? You should also be mad at him, mother. You should! Not doing this!
Barbara, can you just listen to yourself? You think the whole world revolves around you? Or you think you are only the black, beautiful princess in the whole world? Answer me. Onowo's visit today to the palace was unpredictable and strange. You are not even worried about it. You're so much concerned with that classless man. Yes, come to think of it, I've been wondering what you saw in him, in a mere carpenter, not even a carpenter, an apprentice.
The same thing you saw in Somadina, that is a cheap palace guard. Yes, mother. The same thing you saw in a mere palace guard that fries his hair as if he works in a motor park. Yes, you even went as far as killing a girl that expressed her love to him. That is the same thing I saw in Judena, and I shall have him! Ah!
How dare you?
You slapped me.
Wished I would have done worse. How dare you? Inapuala, are you mad? Inapumeme, are you crazy? Are you stupid? Are you worthless? Are you shameless? Have you lost it? Have you forgotten that I am your mother? What has gotten over you? You have to give me maximum respect.
Mother, he who fetches an ant-infested firewood should be ready for the visitation of many lizards.
Barbara, come back here. Barbara! Young lady, do not make me do what I will regret. Listen attentively. Hand over all the documents to me. The money I kept in your custody for the renovation of this palace, you will hand it over to me as well. You are no longer fit for the contract. I will handle it my own way.
Go ahead. Shoot me, mother! Do it! Go ahead and shoot me! Another murder case in the palace. So go ahead and shoot me! Do it already!
Don't push me, young
Do it, mother!
Papi, get out immediately. Get out!
Mother. Calm down. I thought we were still joking, mother. I thought you were not serious. Just calm down. Put the gun down.
Sit your ass down. I'm not done with you yet. Just calm down. Do not push me, young lady. Okay. Don't push me.
Everywhere done the steam.
We can settle this amicably, okay?
Because of evil did you.
Bring your hand down.
Chimo, upon the Wunataba, we are no, what's the idea?
Yeah. So, thanks for the drink once again.
So tell me, what is it? What is bothering you?
Nothing. I'm just here to cool off. I just want to relax.
I don't believe you. My instinct is telling me that something is wrong. You can open up.
That's exactly what I'm doing right now, Queen Amara. I'm opening up to you. I said I just want to come here, relax, take a chill pill and calm down. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Is there anything wrong by doing that?
No.
Oh,
it's okay.
Then allow me.
It's okay. It's fine. Take your time.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing. More whiskey, please.
Zita! Zita! Please come.
I'm cool. I'm okay. More whiskey.
Answer me. Mama, he deceived me that we should go and take measurements in a hotel. Getting to the hotel, he tried to rape me.
Shut up.
Mama, he tried to rape me.
Shut this your dirty smelling mouth up. He is your guy. He can't be lying. And moreover, I know him very well.
Yes. Mama Nedu, this your Chimamanda. She is possessed. Yes, she's evil. I just came here to tell you that if I see these her filthy legs in my shop again, I'll kill her.
And I will never step my feet in your shop. You're a big liar. You deceived me and took me to a hotel. Tried to have me forcefully. And you are here telling my family that I, Chimamanda, was begging you to sleep with me. That my private part is inching me. You're a big liar. There is God though. Okay, there is God though.
Shut up. You see that workshop? You must go back there. You must go back there to continue until you become a professional carpenter. That is it. I've said my own. I have said my own.
Mama, I can't go back to that shop.
You will go back there.
I'm not going back to that shop.
You will go back there.
Okay, Kene. God will see you. God will judge you for this thing you said. God will judge you.
Egodi, I told you. I said it. I want you to take that boy you call my late brother's son away. They have gathered, beating him mercilessly for raping a woman in their farm. Raping a woman in her farm. Yeah.
Where?
Let's go. I told you.
Rape.
Nandi, please. Can you repeat yourself again?
Very simple. You know, as if say, my colleague, no one enter. I say, pick me, I enter. My own big pass, you know.
You just said that your own cassava is bigger than his own.
I tell you.
And you're very good in that.
Yes, oh. The way they do, the way my body they do, you know.
Follow me.
Come. Carry go. Abakende, they follow that one. My princess, you really quick, you know, run about. Princess,
are you mad?
Princess,
on your knees.
Get! Princess.
Get!
Princess.
Get me, kings.
Hey, princess.
I will deal with you today.
Please,
you want to sleep with me, right?
No! Who? No, why me?
Lie down!
Lie down!
Lie down!
My princess! My
Lie down!
princess! Igwe!
I said you should face up. I said remove your hand. Remove your hand. Face up. You want to do right?
No.
Now,
Branco! Okay, please. Jesus!
I want to face up.
Jesus!
Face up.
Now, Branco, my princess!
Exercise your
My princess, I beg you.
I will help you exercise. Remove
Now, Branco!
your hand. Remove your hand.
Somebody help me! Igbo!
Deal with him. Can you imagine?
Jesus!
You want to sleep with your princess. You want to sleep with your princess. You want to exercise your manhood that will help you exercise it. Can you imagine the rubbish? What nonsense! Look at this dirty thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, Princess Barbara, you have seen all. What is this? Get him for me! Get him!
Nnamdi! Nnamdi! So Nnamdi actually stopped work because of this. Oh, who will now follow me to the site? Nan, this number is not even connecting. If I go to that house and see him,
there is a word God command that awaits the wicked one.
Jidenna, come here. Jidenna, I will show you in this village. I will show you. I will make you understand that I run things here.
Mr. Kenen, what have I done?
Because you plant 1 or 2 things in my shop, you now think you are important, eh? Eh, what?
Mr. Kenen, Nnamdi is not here. Please leave my father's compound, please.
You will see. Just watch your back. I said watch your back.
Mr. Kenen, I'll do just that. But leave my father's compound. And thank you for everything you have done. What kind of trouble is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Is it Nnamdi here? Nnamdi is not here.
Come on, shut up. Let's go get out of here. As old as you are. Let's go.
Broken trust is like a broken mirror. No matter how you try to fix it, it can never be the same at all. When evil begets evil, it will lead to destruction and shame.
Rashid, you need to change. You need to change.
Easy now.
Eh? You need to change or you leave this village. Just take a good look at yourself. Look at yourself. Eh? You entered someone's farm and lay with his wife. Thank God they're not you for mama.
Bia, watermelon. Just stay away from this issue. Eh? Before mama will believe now that I raped somebody's wife. Eh? Be careful.
The worst is the lies.
The lies that is coming out from his mouth is hurting me. The woman you grabbed in the farm, will she now lie? Chinedu Nwogene. What is it? Chinedu Ogene. Marry, you say no. Bring a woman. I will support you. You say no. Okay, have a girlfriend. You say no. What do you want me to do, Chinedu? You want me to kill myself for you? Eh? Chinedu, what do you want me to do for you to be responsible? Yeah. Eh? God, what is all this? Chinedu, so you choose to be a rapist?
Mama,
that is what you choose to do.
You see the way you're shouting? Eh? Mama, stop shouting now. Eh?
I should stop shouting.
Eh?
Akudo.
Mama, just calm down.
Have you seen your brother?
Calm down.
Akudo,
Mama.
have you seen your brother?
Mama, calm down. You brother, learn how to keep your mouth shut. Eh?
Watermelon, I warned you again. I'll slap you. Eh? Mama, stop this you're shouting now. Eh? Before you know it now, all the young girls in this village will start avoiding me that I'm a rapist. Eh? And you people are even, all these things you're making me to talk. Eh? Can't you see that my mouth is swell up? Eh? Eh?
Mama, please, we need to take him to the hospital. We really need to take him to the hospital, seriously.
Now you're talking. Eh?
He will die here. Oh.
Mama, that one she said now is okay. Mama, please, hospital. I'm not breathing well again. Mama, stop crying. Eh? Hospital, Mama. Biko.
Mama, stop this now. Stop this. Do something. Crying will not help this thing. Do
Mama,
something.
I'm not breathing fine again. No.
Chima, take it easy on him now. Do you want to enjoy him?
I don't know for this one. Get out of my sight. Mama, please, let's go to hospital. I'm dying, Mama.
Next time, go and sleep with someone so I take care. They for kill you now. Chima, take it easy on him now. You don't want to enjoy him.
You mean she ordered the guards to do this to you?
Jesus. God, I see my dead father today. And so death just they call me. Call me. If I know they come. You smarty those guys use my ICU.
But why did you go to the palace to say something like that?
My brother. I want to just try now. For the sake of the company.
Which company? You want to sleep with a mad princess? Do you like your life? Are you out of your mind? Are you okay?
I know they're okay. I don't confirm them. You see, after that beating, I confirm say, I'm well.
Good day, Jidenna.
How did you find this place?
Jide, that was how it happened.
Did you say Mr. Ekene lured you to a hotel to rape you? He tried to rape you?
Yes. Even my stepmother did not believe me. She refused to believe me. Ekene accused me of being possessed because I forced myself out of the hotel.
Mr. Ekene wants to sleep with you?
Yes. My stepmother said I should go back to the shop. I don't want to go back there again. I'm scared.
This is so unbelievable. I am sorry for your experience. I can't believe it.
I'm tired. I'm scared. I can't go back to that shop. I can't. Jide, Please, do you have some food? I am very hungry. I am very hungry. Jide, honestly, I don't feel like going back to that house.
Why?
I am feeling uncomfortable and I don't like it. I must tell you the truth.
I understand.
My stepmother will force me to go back to Oga Kenneth's shop. And I don't want to go back to that place again. He might hurt me.
Do you want to write your final exams?
Yes, I want to. But there's no money anymore. I regret allowing her to touch that money for my WAEC. And I will never forgive her for that.
It's okay. You're going to be fine.
Thank you so much for your company.
You're welcome.
And thank you for allowing me to stay in your house.
It's nothing. It's alright. You're always welcome anytime.
Thanks for the food.
It's okay. See, you're a kind girl. You deserve everything good. So I strongly believe everything is going to be fine, okay?
Wait. So tell me, did you stop going to the shop because of what the princess demanded?
Yes.
It's okay. It's alright. I have to go.
Just take care of yourself. I'll see you later, huh?
No problem. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mama, please, I don't want to go back to that place. Mama, I don't want to go back to that shop.
Go!
That man will abuse me, Mama.
And what is wrong if he abuses you? What is wrong?
Mama, please.
What is wrong if he abuses you? It's part of the job. It's part of the lane. My friend, move.
Mama.
If you don't go back to that shop, do not come back to this house.
Mama,
don't come back to this house.
Mama, please don't send me back to that shop.
You will go back to that shop.
Please,
you will
I
go back.
Of you, Mama, please.
I said, my friend.
Mama, please, don't send me back to that.
Don't enter this house. Don't come back to this house again.
Chisom is dead. Cover your mouth. Who told you about it? How did you know?
My dear, there is trouble in this palace. If she's not dead, then where is she?
Is it because you are not seeing her? That's why you said she's dead. You don't even have evidence.
See, you're in this palace, but you don't even know what is happening. Your cousin brother told you something, right?
Yes. He told me something like I should stay away from Soma if I want to be alive. But the problem is that I am not getting it. I don't understand.
Good. Now use your brain and know what is happening in this palace.
Everybody keeps saying, use your brain, Makana. I don't understand the brain. What is going on? What is happening? I should use my brain.
Yes. My son, you can do anything. As long as you're doing the right thing, I'm in support of that. Okay. We are waiting for you. Bye.
My queen,
No.
I want you to stop entertaining visitors for now. I told you there is an evil project going against this palace, especially incoming king, the prince. And I've told you that before.
Oh no.
My queen.
In as much as I respect you, I believe in you. But can I know those behind the plan?
My queen, the gods reveal things, and he used a man to reveal things to me.
Yes. See, they have given me enough money to lure me into their evil plan. And I don't want to do such because the late king has been so good. Even to my late father. Before he died, I know he has been doing a lot to bless his life. No, that's why I said I will not be part of that evil plan. Yes. You see that lady Anne? She's evil.
She is.
She's evil.
She is.
They are giving me money, is in the house. They wanted me to come and lure you into their evil plan, but I know you can't be part of it. That's why I never come to discuss such with you. You know, if I didn't do that, Lady Anne might kill me. So I pretended that I am with them, but I know I am not.
Ichie, thank you so much. You know what I can do. You know what I cannot do.
I know now.
You confided on me.
Yes.
And that's where it is.
You don't need to tell me.
Thank you so much. Let's be going.
Don't worry. This is the evil plan. It will kill them.
It will kill them.
The cause of nemesis will catch up with them. Evil people.
Evil people.
Annabelle?
Yes.
Why?
The gods are wise and they do their things in their own way. See, Ichie Azoka is a good man and he's a man of integrity who cannot soil his hands in a blood. Let me tell you, I need to be arrested.
No. No. I understand. Oh no.
My queen.
Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you so much. As for Anne, I know what to do.
It's okay, my queen. Thank you.
Broken trust is like a broken mirror. No matter how you try to fix it, it can never be the same at all. When evil begets evil, it will lead to destruction.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Ichie. What are you doing here, Ichie?
I'm here to see your mother. Is she?
She's not in.
Very well then. I shall wait.
I cannot remember telling you that she'll be coming back anytime soon. So leave.
I know, my princess. I know. No matter how long it takes, it's important that I see the queen, your mother. I wait.
I see. Suit yourself then.
Thank you, my princess.
Did he tell you why he resigned?
He got another job in the city and wishes not to relate it with the Queen Mother. He believes the Queen will stop him from leaving the palace, my princess.
So Somadina left this palace without telling anyone except you?
I don't know, my princess, but that's what he told me.
Get out!
I'm sorry.
Get out! Come in.
Princess, you sent for me.
Turn around.
Huh?
Turn around, son. Around. You're not looking bad. So you are the one shagging my mother. You've been sleeping with the queen?
I beg your pardon?
Of course. You heard me. So you have been sleeping with my mother?
I've not been sleeping with the queen.
Oh, shut up! Look at you. I asked you to turn around so that I can observe you well. And from my observation, you are my mother's kind of man. So stop lying.
I'm sorry, my princess, but I'm not lying to you. I'm not sleeping with the queen.
I get it. Lock the door.
Why, my princess?
You do not question your princess. You take orders. Lock the damn door.
But my princess, I'm sorry. You belong to Prince Charles.
I do not want to repeat myself, you fool!
My queen.
Sola, leave us alone.
Thank you, my queen.
Young lady, do you know you belong to the Prince of our kingdom?
Mother. Was that why you asked him to leave? Or is it that you did not want me to have a taste of him as well? You are so smart.
The mistake I made was telling you things. For your information, I do not sleep with my guards.
Who cares? You are so smart.
One day, you will realize that all I've been doing is to protect you. You just want to become a fool and a mess of yourself.
Lady Anne, Onowu is with us as I'm speaking with you.
What?
He has collected the money from me and assured of his solid support.
That's a lie. Stop lying.
Have I not told you that I will convince him, which I really did? Let me shock you with this news. The prince left the palace without a word to anyone. In fact, Onowu is highly bittered even with the Queen Mother.
This is good news. This news gladdens my heart.
I told you, Agoma.
Wow.
I told you that Ichie here is capable of handling this. Oh yes.
So what's the next step?
Find the prince. Dig deep.
Well, let me shock you. I will be having a meeting with the queen later in the day. And that will be her end. And the news will make the prince to come back to this village very fast and easily. And you elders can do whatever you wish to do with him.
But we will not be able to kill the prince except we perform the sacrifice. And without that, even a bullet cannot penetrate him. Yes.
Do not be bottomed about that. I've taken care of it.
Oh.
Wow.
And
that's a good news. That means you're making progress.
Oh yes.
Yeah. That's
In this life, change is constant. Man and dear John Mado, maybe Sigoa. Follow me, more before. There is a word called Kama that awaits.
I told you I was going to visit. And it's a remarkable one.
Yes, it is. My very good friend and queen of Apple Kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Please get me water.
Sure.
Where are your maids?
I don't want to bother them. Let me get it. It's simple. Yeah. Hello? Okay. Yes, I've poisoned the drink. She's taking it as we speak. Yes. Okay. As soon as you receive my second call, you come in immediately and carry her stupid dead body out of my house. Yes. Okay. Bye. So sorry.
No, I'm okay. I already made use of this.
Okay.
Thank you.
So tell me, how is the prince, the crown prince of Apple Kingdom? How is he doing?
The prince you're trying to kill?
Pardon? What do you mean by that?
You know what I mean. And you find out when you're done with your drink.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Annabelle, do you realize I am a real queen from birth? Not by choice. I am from a royal lineage. And you try to poison me?
May the gods forbid. I would never, ever think of harming you or the prince. I mean, where are you getting this nonsense information from? I don't get it. How?
It's fine. You're my friend, right?
Yeah.
And I trust you. Why will you kill me? Why will you poison me? My own friend. I just want to know who to trust. That's why I'm asking you. Take your drink.
Finish it! I don't understand. What's going on?
I know you can't harm me. I faked my call, so I'll be able to change your drink.
What? You did what?
Annabelle. It's fine. I know you can't harm me. I just exchange it.
Oh, gosh.
Maybe not.
So it's true. Annabelle, how does it feel tasting from the same wine?
Please take me to the hospital.
Please.
What is going on here?
Oh no.
Please help me.
She tried to poison me.
What?
But I was smart enough. I exchanged the drinks.
Please take me to the hospital.
Hospital.
She poisoned your drink? How can you do a thing like that?
Please.
Evil is evil. Nemesis has had a curse on her.
Hello, son. Yes, it's true. She spiked my drink. I already called the police. I will give them the voice note Iche gave Ono. No, it's okay.
There is a word called command that awaits the wicked one.
My friend.
This is evil. Yes, that's what I'm telling you, Mr. Kraft. Yes, Mr. Nigeria is doing so well. Oh, yeah, I'll get back to you, okay? All right, thank you very much. Can you please just stop?
My own mother threatened me with a gun. This is so funny. I mean, it sounds funny.
The kingdom is at stake.
I do not give a hook, mother.
I know it doesn't concern you, but it might interest you to know that you will live and become the queen in our kingdom.
Oh, come off it, mother. I know you too well. I know what you can do. I mean, you would have taken her out of this palace and kill her as you wish. I trust you.
My dear princess, you need to take a chill pill. You and I will do this together.
The kingdom has been polluted. As I see him, everywhere don't corrupt you. Oh, Queen, don't change you.
You cannot lie to the gods. Your hands are stained with innocent blood. Deny it one more time. You will swear an oath that you did not kill a maiden right at the palace.
Oh no, you have known me for ages. You know that I came from a noble and royal family. Do you think that I can go against the sanity and sacred of the Holy Palace?
Your palm shows blood. Yes, I will not believe any of your utterances.
I know we have the right to believe whatever you want to believe. It's none of my business.
Let me remind you what your late great-grandfather-in-law did to claim the kingship. And today, it has come to an end in your reign.
Not in my reign. You didn't hear well. Not in my reign. I am Queen Suzanne Amaka Obasi. It will not happen in my reign.
You must leave the palace or you face the wrath of the gods.
Over my dead body, Okonkwa, mark my lips over my dead body. I have sent the informations you need. If you need any other thing, you let me know.
My queen, say less. You will hear from me.
It's okay. Are you sure he's the best option for the job? Yes. This means more blood in your hands, mother. This is my kingdom. It won't end in my reign.
My prince. I don't even understand you. You refuse to touch me. You refuse to kiss me. My prince. I keep busting my head that I'm dating a prince, that the prince is my boyfriend. Or am I not beautiful enough to move to your kingdom? Eh? Am I not beautiful enough to be your girlfriend?
A dirty, smelling girl like you can never be my girlfriend.
What?
You heard me correctly. But what if I tell you that I'm not a prince? Huh? What if I tell you that I'm not who you think that I am? Oh, I remember. Because you saw me in a flashy car, right? And then you ran over me like you won a lottery. You left a good man who was supposed to be a good boyfriend to you. You're a dirty whore.
Excuse you?
Get out of this place this very minute as I speak to you.
My prince, it's your real estate.
I don't care if you're a bungalow. Now I want you to get yourself and your filthy things out of this place.
Where am I supposed to go? It's late.
It doesn't concern me!
My prince.
My prince charming.
I'm talking, you're still touching me. Eh?
My prince.
My friend, get out from here. Listen to me. First thing tomorrow morning, get yourself and your few things out of this place. I'm not in for this bullshit.
My prince.
I am not your prince. One more word from me, I will squeeze you.
Your real estate.
You're a mogul.
It's your real estate.
Get out from here now. Get out now. Get out. Real estate. You have come to a bungalow. Get out. What's all this nonsense? Touch me here. Did I ask you to be touching me? You want to go and on something now that I don't want to on? I'll go slap.
Wickedness running their vein. Negodi, if I'm mad in a mad wickedness runs in their vein. Negodi, if I'm mad in a mad
Queen Amaka, you choose to dance the dance of Surugede. Surugede dance is the dance of the spirit. You must leave the palace.
That is why I ran to your place. I don't know where to run to.
I'm coming, just give me a minute, okay?
Okay. Jide.
Take.
Oga Jide. Are you serious right now?
Write your exams.
Didn't know.
It's okay.
God will bless you.
Get up.
Thank you so much.
Make sure no one knows about this.
No problem.
Most especially your stepmother. Don't tell her about this, please.
I will not. I have to hide it. Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you so much. God will bless you.
You're welcome.
Never! Oga, if I follow you go that palace, if I dey come back, make Okada jam me. Yes! I go try am. Nnamdi, are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Let's go! Oga, you be like say you dey forget. You dey forget when the princess Bra. Wetin do me for that palace? Tomorrow I'm sleeping. I tell you, man, you carry me go hospital. You don't carry me. Now, you dey tell me make I follow you. I not try am. I no dey go anywhere. Is that right? Okay. You will leave my shop. Oh. Leave aya. Leave. Who dey hear you now? Go fit say I no pay you. Na free work I dey learn. You think say I be Jidenna? I be Chimamanda? You think say na them I be? I no dey go anywhere. I no go try am. So that is it. That is it, right? Okay, we shall see. Since you have grown wings, we shall see. Okay, we don't see no. Any yoga. Okay, we be one knock Chimamanda. Because the girl no go agree. Because the form attitude. Me say we want go knock princess.
Musha. I want knock Igbo smoker.
Oga, I don't go anywhere.
Oga Jide, thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate. May God multiply for you. Oga Jide, I have something very important to tell you.
So what is that?
Jide, I love you. I don't know how I'm going to say it, but I love you. Yes. I love you.
See, I just want you to pay for your exams so that your heart can be at peace. So you can have peace of mind.
No problem. No problem. I will. Thank you.
Calm down. Take it easy.
Thank you. You don't know. I don't know how I'm going to thank you, but
you have done that already.
Yes. Thank you. God will bless you.
It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Like I said, I just want you to write your exams so that you can be at peace with yourself. Okay?
Ordinary carpenter, where they knock boy boy. Jide na carpenter, carpenter where they knock boy. Ordinary carpenter, where they knock bottom bottom. Jide na carpenter, carpenter.
Oga, that's the price. Oga, you want me to... Oga, that wardrobe, that type of wardrobe you want is very, very expensive. Materials are very costly in the market, sir. Oga, that wardrobe is too... Okay, no problem. How much do you want to pay? Sir? No problem. Please.
Hey, little boy. We meet again.
What do you want from me?
Are you really asking me that? How dare you? You think you can embarrass me and go scot-free? Really? Since I was born, no man born of a woman has ever rejected me. And you think you will be the first? You think I will allow you to embarrass me and go away just like that? I told you I would get you. Now we're here. Since you've refused to dance to my tune, I think it's time for me to do it my way.
Please, I'm a virgin. I've never done it before.
You say what?
Virgin boy.
I beg, shut up, bro. man, they be virgin. Wait till you talk, sir.
Oh, it's fine. Boys, hold on, it's fine. You are a virgin. Wow. That's nice. Anyways, it seems like you don't know your princess that much, but I will enlighten you. I have taken advantage of so many boys in this village. That is if they refuse to dance to my tune just the way you are doing right now. I was so calm with you in the first place. I was so polite. But you wanted to show me that you are a stubborn boy. I have forcefully taken advantage of so many boys. You see that your cucumber that you've been hiding? I will take it by force. Do you understand me? And when I'm done with you, my boys here will waste you. And nobody will know what happened to you.
Yeah?
Yes! While I'll be on top, I'll do everything. Don't worry. I'll be gentle. Because of your handsomeness. That's all.
I said I'm a virgin. I've never done it before. Did you not hear that part?
I understand that you're a virgin, but don't worry. I will be soft. I will do all the work.
But I've never done it before now.
It's not my business. Yes, I even like that you're a virgin. At least let me be the one in charge. I like to be in charge.
Please,
all right?
Please.
You don't make it all the time.
No, wait. Just wait. Just wait now, wait. Please now, please.
Hold on. The Queen Mother is calling. Hello, Mother.
I'm a virgin.
Shut up!
Yes, Mother. Yes, I went somewhere. Now? Oh, wow. What's that urgent? Okay, fine. Stop yelling. I'm coming. Okay, fine. Oh, my goodness. Boys, I have an emergency, all right? So stay here and take care of him. I'll be back. Please, no mistakes.
All right. I think
You, fine boy. Now this is where they live here, you know, risky, where they shoot anyhow. I don't know how they take you, God listen to come back. They're very, very risky thing.
Mother, you sounded so urgent on the phone. What is going on?
The prince is back. We have to go and welcome him.
The prince?
Yes.
You mean Michael?
Yeah. Oh, hurry up, let's go.
Mother, you should have said this over the phone.
My dear, we don't have time. Let us go and welcome him. We're late already.
Okay, fine. I think I should go change something better. I'm coming.
Okay, like this, let's go. We are late already, let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, come, let's go.
Oh, you a virgin? Eh?
I'm a virgin.
No worry, no worry. When patients come, I to confirm on. That means so for now, focus. I tell you, I know they good with the gun. I they carry shoot. What's happening here? What is happening? Come! What is happening here?
Oga Jide! Jide now! Oh, Jide! God, Jide, do you know what? I've paid for my exams. Jide now! I'm so happy. Jide, you don't want to talk to me? What happened?
I was kidnapped.
How? By who?
Behold, our new king. The gods have favored you. The kingship was forcefully taken from your late great-grandfather, and today the prophecy is fulfilled. Pick a wife and follow me, Nancy.
You said I've been favored by who?
You have been favored by the gods.
What did they favor me with?
You are the next king.
King of which planet?
King of this kingdom. Pick a wife, just as I said, it is urgent. and follow me for cleansing.
Sorry, you said the kingship was forcefully taken from who?
It was forcefully taken from your late great-grandfather.
Alive or dead?
When he was alive. And today, the prophecy of you being a king of this kingdom is fulfilled. And you are the next king of this kingdom.
Okay, you said I should pick a wife.
Pick a wife and follow me. It is urgent.
Now.
It is urgent. Now.
How far? Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, why not?
Okay.
I will marry you.
I've picked a wife.
May the gods be praised.
What next?
I cannot wait to see the prince.
Of course.
I'm so excited.
Summer? Jesus. Prince Charles. Ugonna.
Why is he on guard uniform?
What of Ugonna? What is she doing here?
Is that not our maid? What is she doing here?
Keep quiet, Barbara. Yes, you're welcome to my kingdom. My name is Somadina Michael Ugochukwu. And this is Ugonna, my wife. And Charles, my personal guard.
Just your personal what?
You know, I had to pretend to be a nobody. I came looking for a job in your palace so that I'll be able to find out who the princess that my mother wants me to marry is. Unfortunately, Barbara, you are a shameless woman. You know, you did not only fall for my personal guard, you also allowed him sleep with you. I gave him the go-ahead so that I'll be sure of who you are. And your mother? I'm sorry. You tried everything you could to make me sleep with you.
Fear.
You also killed a maiden because of me in that palace. How evil can you be? Well, I had to leave your palace when I found out that one of the evil men who wants my head has found out where I was, and that is Ume. Keep quiet! Guards! Lock this evil up.
No, see. No, but let's explain something. You see,
What is it? My prince, we can settle this amicably.
I'll behead you here. By the time I open my eyes, you're out of this palace. Now!
Miss Summer, we are good to you.
Dad!
No, don't disgrace us. Don't try it. Don't disgrace us.
You never can tell what future hold for you.
You can say that.
You never can tell what tomorrow will bring for you. A path without direction is always confused. If I nature no one, koge weta, ulonye kolo no one, koga olu. If I nature no one, koge weta, ulonye kolo no one.
By the power vested on me as the Onowu of this kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe of Amarato Kingdom.
Igwe.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Is this a dream? Please, if this is a dream, don't wake me. Nobody should wake me up.
It's okay. It's not a dream. I'm the king, and you're my queen.
Yes, the gods are wise. They have a better reward for those who are oppressed in the land. Congratulations. I am happy to be alive to witness this. Reality has finally come to our family.
It's okay. You're no longer in the
Your Majesty, we will now proceed with the completion of the bride price.
What? What is going on here?
Mother.
What is this? What are you people doing in my palace?
We are here to change the furniture.
The apprentice? Will you keep quiet? Murderers.
Okonkwo, you are alive.
As you can see.
No problem. Just wait for me.
There's no need for that. Guards! Lock these women up.
Don't touch me.
Ifeanyi, including you, will be locked up as well.
You never can tell what tomorrow will bring for you. A man without direction is always confused. If I nature no one, Koga weta, Bologna Colonova, Koga Olu. If I nature no one, Koga weta, Bologna Colonova, Koga Olu. In this life, change is constant. Man and dear John Mado, baby Sigowa. Follow me, more before. There is a word called Kama that awaits the wicked one. On a pure, you know, on a pure, you know, now so you never can tell what tomorrow will bring for you.
Mama, wait now. What is this? Wait, this is... Am I not the doctor of this house? Or you want to take my position? Am I not the head of the house? Your Highness, thank you very much. Is this for us?
Yes.
For... Hi! Your Highness. In fact, but I want them wine now.
Your Highness, thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm telling you, when you are maltreating her very bad, just look at what is happening now. Reality has finally come to our family. It is good to be good.
Your Highness.
I told Mama.
Beg her. Forgive us, please. Help us. Help us, please. Chima. Forgive me.
Forgive us,
When you are maltreating her bad,
let God judge you.
Only Mama. Only Mama.
Exactly. Let God judge you, Mama. Mama, is it your life? Is it your life?
Mama,
look at her.
To yourself. This is
Sister.
what you want.
That is your own business.
Sis.
My own. Here, I'm going back
If
to
you want to change, you change. If you don't, remain where you are. But as for me, I prefer you change so that you can enjoy the fruit of your labor.
Mama. Sister.
So Nnamdi, now you have graduated. You no longer come to work. Fine. But I don't want to see you in my shop again. I've told you.
Hey! You don't want me for where?
When I tell you, say, when I wake up this morning, I know well. I dey feel headache. You don't hear me? If I dey go front, I know they feel myself. Now when I dey go back, now they feel myself. What do you want make I do? Your shop not be front today. No wahala. If you don't want to make I work again, all the money where I pay you, tell them that work, you go give me now.
You say?
You go give me now. All cover. You go give me everything now.
They no boy you.
If you don't,
Namdi, how are you? Mr. Kenneth, how are you?
Jidenna, you don't go thief clothes where? This boy. Where you for thief am?
I'm now a king.
Not lie. Jidenna a king. Wait, now you be that person where they say they crown as king, that new king.
Well, Nnamdi, we decided to pay you a visit.
Jesus Christ.
Follow me, I have something for you.
Jidenna!
Come to the car.
Jidenna, please. Jidenna.
Shut up your mouth! Collect this house.
Wonder shall never end. Jidenna, son of a carpenter, king. I don't finish. The best thing for me to do is just to pack my loads and go.
Yeah, Mama, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine. Please, I'm here for Chima. I went to the furniture store. I didn't see anyone there. So that's why I came.
Uche, is this your car?
Oh, one of my cars, actually.
Hey.
Yes.
Uche, come inside now. Since you traveled, I've been calling your line. It's not going. It's not reachable.
All my lines are available. I don't know. Maybe you're exaggerating what I don't understand. Yes, please. Where is Chima? That is why I'm actually here.
Babe.
Oh, darling.
You sure the one?
No, actually. Maybe they don't want to tell me where Chima is. I've been trying to talk to them now. They're looking strange.
What?
Yeah. Oh,
is she
my wife?
Yeah.
Yes, that's my beautiful wife. Yes. Get inside.
Chimo! Akudo, please get up and do this to me. Don't do this to me. Somebody else!
You never can tell what future hold for you. You never can tell what tomorrow we bring for you. A man without direction is always confused. If I nature no one, Koga weta, Bologna Colonoa, Koga Holu. If I nature no one, Koga weta, Bologna Colonoa, Koga Holu. You never can tell what future hold for you. You never can tell what tomorrow we bring for you. A man without direction is always confused. If I nature no one, Koga weta, Bologna Colonoa, Koga Holu. If I nature no one, Koga weta, Bologna Colonoa, Koga Holu. In this life, change is constant. Man and dear John Mado, maybe say go. follow me more before. There is a word called command that awaits the wicked one. On a pure, you know, na pure, you know, now so you never can tell what tomorrow we bring for you. Because the one the man without direction is always confused. Before nature, I know.